Hi guys, I'm out in the garden again, and today I'm going to be planting up a dead tree that had hollowed out in the center but has an amazing planting space. I tend not to take out my stumps. I tend to try to plant around them or things on them. I'm always sad when a tree dies, so this is the way I can kind of extend its life. So as you see here, we have some baby tut abuse. This poor thing has been in a can way too long, probably the entire season. And it's really root bound. I got them root bound, they weren't this bad. And so now I'm gonna, they love sun, but they also love water, so I'm going to have to be watering this tree just because I know it's gonna drain really fast and dry out. But I'm willing to take on the task, so I'm gonna try it. The baby tuts that we planted a few weeks ago that we got with these, I don't know if you can see them here. They're looking great. They're getting big, they're lush, they're green. So I was able to revive them. So I'm still hopeful that I'll be able to revive this little guy and make it happy. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so no matter what method I try, it's coming out. So I'm going to either have to do the plant as you go method, where you put the plants in, add more soil, plant, add more soil, plant, or you could use a chicken wire and plant through it, or a landscaping fabric also would hold it in, or you could temporarily use a landscaping fabric and then kind of cut it out as the plants root in, which might be an option. So right now I think I'm going to try the plant as you go option. So I'm going to go ahead and get the plants together that I want for the bottom of it. Okay, I'm back in the shade a little bit. I'm a sweaty mess, sorry. So it actually went better than expected. I had a little bit of technical difficulties at the beginning of getting the soil to stay in the tree stump. As you saw, it was just kind of pouring everywhere. You have to be willing to lose a little bit of soil for this kind of thing. And but generally, after I figured out that I had to do a plant as you go method, it worked out good. So I'll give you a close-up and I'll show you what the plants are and what they look at. I'll put their names up on the screen also. Okay.